Welcome to everyone. Today we will see that concave mirror and image formation of concave mirror. Before you should subscribe my YouTube channel, like, comment, share it. Don't forget click the bell buttons. Let us start our class today. Concave mirror. If a hollow sphere is cut into parts and outer surface of the cut part is painted, then it becomes a mirror with its inner surface as a reflecting surface. This kind of mirror is known as a concave mirror. Light converges at a point when it strikes and reflects back from the reflecting surface of the concave mirror. Hence, it is also known as a converging mirror. When the concave mirror is placed very close to the object, a magnified and visual image is formed. But if we increase the distance between the object and the mirror, then size of the images reduces and a real image is formed. So the image formed by the concave mirror can be small or large, and it can also be real or visual. Concave mirror. The object is located beyond C. When the object is located at a location beyond the center of curvature, the image will always be located somewhere in between the center of curvature and the focal point. You can see the image of diagram. Regardless of exactly where the object is located, the image will be located in the specified region. In this case, the image will be an inverted image. That is to say, if the object is right side up, then the image is upside down. In this case, image is reduced in size. In other words, image dimension are smaller than the object dimension. For an example, if the object is a 6 foot tall person, then image is less than 6 foot tall. In this term, magnification was introduced. The magnification is the ratio of height of image to the height of the object. In this case, the absolute value of the magnification is less than 1. Finally, the image is a real image. Light rays actually converge at the image location. If a sheet of paper were placed at the image location, the actual replication of the object would appear projected upon the sheet of paper. Second, concave mirror. The object is located at C. When the object is located at the center of curvature, the image will also be located at the center of curvature. You can see image of diagram. In this case, the image will be invert. A right side of object result an upside down image. The image dimension are equal to the object dimension. For an example, a 6 foot tall person would have an image that is 6 feet tall. The absolute value of magnification is equal to 1. Finally, the image is a real image. Light rays actually converge at the image location. It is like image of object could be projected upon a sheet of paper. concave mirror. The object is located between C and F. You can see image of diagram. When the object is located in front of the center of curvature, the image will be located beyond the center of curvature regardless of exactly where the object is located between C and F. The image will be located somewhere beyond the center of curvature. You can see image of ray diagram. In this case, the image will be invert. A right side of object result in an upside down image. The image dimension are larger than the object dimension. A 6 foot tall person would have an image that is larger than 6 feet tall. The absolute value of magnification is greater than 1. I repeat, let us take some example. A 6 foot tall person would have an image of a 6 foot tall person would have an image that is larger than 6 feet tall. The absolute value of the magnification is greater than 1. Finally, the image is a real image. Light rays actually converge at the image location. It is like the image of object could be projected upon a sheet of paper. Okay, thank you. We will see the next video.